Diana Rigg was an English stage and screen actress. She played Emma Peel in the TV series The Avengers 1965 to 1968. Her daughter named Rachel. Her daughter is an English stage and film television actress. Her daughter has been nominated twice for the Laurence Olivier Award for her stage work. Her former spouse Archie. Her former spouse is a theatrical producer and former officer in the Scots Guards. Her former spouse Menachem was an Israeli painter. Her former spouse Philip was a British director, screenwriter and a former actor whose career lasted half a century. She was married to Archibald from 1982 to 1990. Her parents named Louis and Barley. The couple had a daughter, actress Rachel, in 1987. She had a brother. He appeared as a Lady Holiday in 1981. Who had a net worth of $16 million. She was born in the Doncaster, then in the West Riding of Yorkshire in 1938. Her father was a railway engineer born in the Yorkshire. Between the age of 2 months and 8 years, she lived in the Bikaner, Rajasthan, India. Her father was employed as a railway executive in the Bikaner Station Railway in India. She was sent back to England to attend a boarding school, Poolneck Girls' School. She hated her boarding school, where she felt like a fish out of water. She trained as an actress as a Royal Academy of Dramatic Art from 1955 to 1957. Her classmates includes Gleda Jackson and the Sean Phillips. Her career in film, television and theatre was widely ranging, including roles in the Royal Shakespeare Company between 1959 and 1967. She appeared in the British 1960s television series The Avengers opposite Patrick as a John Steed, playing the secret agent Emma Peel in 51 episodes. In a June 2015 interview with the website The AV Club, she talked about her chemistry with the Patrick on the Avenger despite their 16-year age difference. Her first grandchild, a boy named Jake, was born in April 2017. She also enjoyed a career in theatre, including playing the title role in The Medea, both in London and New York, for which she won 1994 Tony Award for Best Actress in a Play. She was made a CBE in 1988 and a Dame in 1994 for services to drama. She made her professional stage debut in 1957 in the Caucasia Chalk Circle, then joined the Royal Shakespeare Company in 1959. She made her Broadway debut in 1971 production of Abelard and Eloise. She starred in two plays written by Tom Stoppard. She won the BAFTA TV Award for the Best Actress for the BBC Mimi series Mother Love, and an Emmy Award for her role as Denver in an adaptation of Rebecca. Her other television credits include You, Me and Apocalypse, Detectorist, the Doctor Who episode The Crimson Horror with her daughter